Hey guys, it's Kiara from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on our process of making money online with Clickbank using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright, if you don't know, My Lead Gen Secrets is a program that lets you email people once a day and adds leads every single day that you're in the system. Adds different leads every single day. These are real people and everything. The only issue is that they're definitely cold leads. They don't know you, they don't know your offer, so you just gotta warm up to them and continuously email them to get them to buy more and more often. You get more leads every single day, but you can only email them once a day because they don't want you to spam. Can't spam. So that's the reason they allow that. Do that. But anyway, My Lead Gen Secrets is in the description below. Now, you want to start with 2 accounts if you can afford it, and the recommended is 5 accounts. So to make a living off of this, you want 5 accounts to make a living off of this, and maybe $2,000 to $3,000 a month. It takes a minute, but you get there once you collect enough leads. $2,000 to $3,000 a month. Okay, so what we're gonna do now? We're gonna go ahead, go to Clickbank, a link in the description to sign in. Clickbank is a market where it's a bunch of affiliate offers on. You probably heard about it from somebody. Anyway, it's very easy to sign into it. One of the easiest things to sign into out of all the affiliate scenes I've been in. Clickbank is probably the easiest to get into by default. And you just put in your information, make sure your bank and all of that hooked up, right? And they'll get back in it. They changed the system in which you get checks and stuff quicker. I noticed that. So anyway, bump that. Let's continue moving here. So what you want to do, you want to go to e-business or e-marketing, because the offers that's on the people who sign in to My Lead Gen Secret are interested in making money online. So that's why you want to click e-business, e-marketing. You might can get a sale with employment and job, because that's making money as well. But we're going to stick to e-business, e-marketing, because we're going to stick to what we know works. And what we know works is this first offer here and this second offer. These 2 offers work really well, this system. All right, so they work really well. So we're going to kind of stick to them. There's some other offers we could go with, but these 2 I know work. I tried one offer that I thought would work because I got a sale with it. This one here, I got a sale with this before, but it did not work while I was going through the system. That's why I stopped promoting it. So I'm going back to what does work, what I do get sales with, and with the system on. I didn't feel right promoting something that wasn't working for me. And I'm trying to teach you guys how to make money online. So I made a mistake there. I thought that product would work, but it did not work. I just simply thought it would work because I managed to get a sale with it before. And maybe it would have worked in time, but I gave it 4 days and I didn't get a sale. So I decided to go back to the product that was giving me sales. At almost every day or every other day or something like that. And that's My Lead, and that is the first product here. So we're gonna stick to it. All right, so once you come in, you want to click on the email here. Now we need email swipes. Now what we're gonna do something a little different this time. See, I'm thinking I just sent this email here, email 6. A friend of mine sent me an email that got him a sale, and we're gonna use that instead of the next email here. That email is this one here. All right, so that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna get on to that. All right, so I can copy paste, pause the video to copy the email if you wish. Upload YouTube video, get paid here. Yeah, just copy the email. You just pause it once I put it in. You can pause the video and kind of just put it in for you like that, and then we just kill this. Make sure perfect timing in. You want perfect timing so you can you want perfect timing because so that they get the email around the same time that they posted. What I was trying to say. Yes, you want perfect timing because they'll get the email around the time they check emails. So that's why you want I'm sorry about that. My brain was just frying for a second there. But we're gonna keep on going like it never happened, you know. All right. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna click here for more information. We want to link it. Hold up, let me do something a little different here. Let's italize this. Internet access, laptop, smartphone. Italize this. Go with YouTube. Italize this. And YouTube users. Italize this. Let's look. This is what he did in his email here. So I changed it around just a little bit, but it's pretty much the same email he sent me. So we're gonna give this a shot, see if we get sales with it. All right, that's to test out with, because he said he got sales right away with this email. The first time he sent, you know. So I was like, yo, I'm running out of emails for, you know, social paid. So let's give it a shot, you know. So anyway, yeah, you could just pause and look at this. You go ahead and post it up there if you want to use this email. So we're gonna put our link in right here, right? We're gonna bold it. All right, so, and we're gonna put Savings Highway Global email for the PS down there. Just in case. I'm not a huge fan of posting two different products on one email, but he promoted 2 products with his email, so we're gonna do the same thing. And pretty much give this a test and see how well it does. Guess that's good. That'll work. All right. So it looks pretty good here. Let's go to preview and make sure the link work. Always make sure the links work. Okay, that link works. What about this one? That's the product that you start your business with only $20. If you're interested, there'll be a link in the description. Saving Highway Global. All right, so we're gonna bold this. Want it to look a little better. I think that looks a little. Yeah, that looks better. I like that. All right, so we're gonna send this email here. Click to send email. Your mailing has not yet been sent. Bitly and other traffic prohibited. Oh, I can't use Bitly. Oh, sorry about that, guys. You can't use Bitly for My Lead Gen secrets. I forgot about that. So I need to get the original link here real quick. So we're just gonna copy our original link here and right there. Copy. That's all. I forgot about that. It doesn't track like Bitly. Saving Highway Global has its own link, and it kind of has an issue with using other links as well sometimes. So it just tells you that, hey, this link probably won't work too well. I mean, this tracking link won't work too well. So Bitly's one of those things. So we're gonna go with this here instead. This should work pretty fine. So we're gonna go on ahead and continue right here and send email. And that should go through there. It looks like it's going through. Okay, there we go. All right, so I just want to show you guys that as well. Show you that that My Lead Gen has Bitly issues. I kind of forgot about it because I ain't did it in a long time. But yes, indeed, it has a tracking issue when it uses other certain traffic programs. But you know, when you click the link raw or Clickbank tracks as well. Clickbank works perfectly fine, and so on and so forth, as you may know. But it's just some products that it doesn't link well. So, and it kind of acts up, like it gives you inaccurate data. That's why they tell you, hey, you don't use Bitly links, just use the raw link so we can give you accurate data. It just kind of acts up, that's all. But anyway, yeah, we send that. Now if you have multiple accounts, what you want to do, you want to go on ahead and make them, keep this up here like this, click on that, make another one here, then sign in on another account. We only using this one account for this challenge here, so we're not gonna do that. But that's what you want to do until you have all 5 accounts sending email. And once you have all 5 accounts sending email, you're done for the day. That's your work for 14, 15 minutes every day to make you a full-time income. This is great. That's all you gotta do if you got 5 accounts. The profit should be around $3,000. It's perfect. It should be around $3,000 at a certain point. It's gonna take a while to get there because you need to build up leads. But once you get there, you're there. You don't go down. You don't make less money. You make more money every day. All right, so yeah, that's all I have to say about that. We're gonna end the video here. Oh, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also, right, $20 business, Saving Highway Global. I got right here. This works better than Clickbank because each sale is worth recurring income. To show you here real quick, like right here, I made $25 even though I ain't get a sale. That's because I'm getting recurring income from people I got a sale from a month ago. I'm still making money off of them. So that's why a sale for Saving Highway Global is much more worth, and you can kind of build an income off of it each sale, and it's worth. So it's better to promote it, and there's a link in the description for that. You can get that started with just $20. Of course, there's a upgraded version which is $100 a month, which most people tend to take, but you can start with $20 and always upgrade later once you get a couple of sales. But if you want to make the most money possible, you start with $100 and go ahead and get it started. It's $20. It's gonna be slow when you start with $20, but you can start with $20. All right. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Do all the things. Yeah. Let me know you like these videos. Honestly, these videos are performing better than I thought they would. To be honest, I didn't think I'd get any views, but I'm actually getting around about 30-40 views of video, which is above what I thought I'd get. Very much above it, and I really appreciate the people that are watching these videos and getting me into the algorithm and getting more people to look at the videos. This is a slow channel. We're building very slowly, but the thing is, because we don't use multiple ways to make money, I will never fit a way to make money on this channel in which I think is either too hard or I've never made money doing it myself. And that's what a lot of these videos do. I just want to speak on it real quick. There's a lot of videos out there on YouTube, a lot of gurus. They have a bunch of multiple ways of making money online. A lot of times that's not the guru you need to watch for. Like if it's a ton of different ways, like next week they got a different way, the next day they got a different way, something like that. But that's not what you want to watch. I know my videos are very repetitive, but to be honest with you, those are the people you need to watch when the videos are very repetitive, because honestly, that's how you make money. For a fact they make money that way because they keep saying the same things. So that's why I'm keep showing you guys this, because I know it's very repetitive, but it's a way to make money online for real. Like there's no jokes about this, none of that stuff that you may learn from other people. Believe me, I've tried those ways as well. I don't make money with them. I tried them. It's a bunch of different little ways to make money. They show you, it sounds good, but once you do it, you don't make any money. That's the thing. It just doesn't work. And it's a lot of videos like that. A lot of products out there telling you can make money online like that. So I just want y'all to watch out for that. And that's the reason why I keep repeating myself in all of these videos, because I know for a fact that they work. So that's why I'm gonna keep doing that. All right. Yeah. So yeah, I wish you guys the best of luck, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.